Hey guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorials. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change name in Instagram. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you just need to go to your Instagram app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, go to bottom right corner and you are in the profile section. Now from here, go to this edit profile option, and now as you want to change the name of your account in Instagram, just go to this name and just choose a random name like this that you want to change to, and just press on to this top right corner to the stick, and then you will confirm it saying change name, and then this is how you're going to change your name in Instagram. So that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.